In the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, welcome back to the Dr. Najam lectures. In this video, we will talk about how to perform the continuous stretches. So let's do with me. So first of all, start like this. Take a bite. Remember one thing, for the continuous stretches, leave thread little bit extra compared to the other type of stretches. And after that, rotate 2 times like this. And from its one side, take it and make the knot like this. Once again, 2 times and make the knot like this. And after that, cut the extra part of this. And after that, take the needle again. Like for example, if you want to end this here, so what you have to do, again just rotate it 2 times like this, and one of its side make the knot like this one, and again rotate it like this and make the knot here. And after that, cut the extra part. So just because of time, I did it very short, but if you want to see here that we already perform on that thing, this is all about the continuous stretches. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Do subscribe to Dr. Najam lectures.